I just welcome the opportunity today to voice again Ireland's very strong commitment to global action, to deliver on the goals of the Paris Agreement in particular, and to keep global temperature rise to below 1.5 degrees centigrade. There can be no doubt that climate change is real, it's accelerating, and we have to act together to deal with this. And in acting as a global community, climate justice must be at the centre of our efforts. Countries and communities struggling to cope already must have our support. But targets, as you have said, Prime Minister, alone will not reduce emissions. We recognise the need for solutions commensurate with the scale of the challenge. Our forthcoming first carbon budget programme and annual climate action plans will drive systemic change and support meaningful climate action. In conclusion, colleagues, I think we must have the courage to take action now and collectively to secure a safe and sustainable planet for generations to come. We have a unique opportunity before us to step up our ambition and to turn the tide on climate change. Let the narrative emerging from this conference be one of hope, with a focus on solutions and what we can achieve when we work together. Thank you very much.